Right, now we're testing an LED. We have the device under test. This is the long wire, that's the P side, that's wrapped around the other lead to the 10 ohm sense resistor. And something that we had to do is change the amplitude to 3 and the offset to 1.5, so we're just getting the forward conduction mode. All right, so that means this point here is 0 and whatever the current is, and over here is the maximum current. All right, trying to use the cursors to measure, but it is really bouncing around. Even on average, you can see. But anyway, here's 2.6 and 43 millivolts, which is really 4.4 milliamps. All right, so that would give you a point at which to bias the LED to get it that bright. So that's a current voltage pair that will allow you to turn that, use Ohm's law to select a resistor for a DC power supply to make it brightly lit. Now, yeah, so a lot of times LEDs, you want them at around 10 milliamps, but this setup can't really sink that much current, so I'm getting limited. But that's okay.